English for Iraq, 6th Primary, Pupil's Book. Page 55. Unit 4, Lesson 2. Revision.
Look at the pictures. Say if it comes from 1, 2, or 3.
Woolen gloves and woolen hat come from sheep. Paper, ruler, and paper cup come from tree. Denim jacket and denim jeans come from cotton plant.
Work with a partner. Plan a day at the shopping mall. Decide shopping lists. Tell your partner what you will buy and why.
I need a new saucepan because I want to make curry. Where should we go?
We can go to home cooking. I need a new smartphone because mine is broken. Where should we go?
We can go to IT and computing.
Do you want to go to the cafe for pizza after shopping?